Fortuner लेनी है.
Is it worth buying?
Public ला you दे.
And let's you and I together figure out what is it.
This is not a collaboration. Yes, Ershad has joined TrakinTech team.
And I'm so excited to be here.
I am excited as well. But just before talking a few things with you, I want to tell you that in my 2021 plans on TrakinTech, which we did, I had said that we had really very big plans, and this is right in front of you. Yeah, for last 1.5 years, we wanted someone who could take TrakinTech English channel forward to make it the best tech YouTube channel in the world. And obviously, who better than Ershad? He has been in this industry, tech industry, for more than what, 10, 11 years now?
11 years now, Arun. That
Absolutely.
is correct.
And I think he's one of the most respected personality. And for me, absolutely the right person who can take this channel forward to the heights that I want. We started our TrakinTech journey with English language, but switched to Hindi because most of the audience in India obviously want Hindi. But English is something I want to take it forward, like I have said earlier. Literally, last 1.5 years, I've been trying to get someone who could, achieve that vision that I have for TrakinTech English. And it was very, very difficult. But who better than Ershad to do that? And Ershad, how do you feel? I really want to know what is it that really made you come into this space, video space especially.
That is right. First of all, Arun, thank you so much for getting me onto TrakinTech. And the people who actually have seen what I've done in the past 3 years, at least, in the video space, know that I love making videos on tech gadgets, especially. And, I've been writing as well for so many years, but you don't get the kind of feedback. And who better than you to understand that specifically, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, see, a video engages you in a way that you immediately respond to it, and you get to, as a creator, you come to know where you're right, where you're wrong, and that feedback is so important for us, and only a video can give that.
That is true.
Not textual, but textual has its own space.
Yes. Yeah. And together we want to build that vision for TrakinTech English, and like Arun mentioned, possibly make it the best international tech channel.
And no, it is going to happen. I'll tell you what. Always, if you follow us on TrakinTech, I've always said that the quality is paramount for us. It is the number one thing. Day in, day out, we keep improving our quality, and that is what is going to happen. And not at TrakinTech level, probably one next level. Why? Because we want to be the best in the world.
Great. That is precisely the plan, and that's precisely what we're going to be executing. And I'm really, really, again, excited for this.
I wanted to speak a couple of more things, and this is very important for our viewers to understand, especially when you see a lot of debates, when two tech veterans, 2 or 3, they come together, they have difference of opinion. Now, a lot of people have a question in their mind that what happens when you do on your Hindi channel and English channel? Is it going to be the same, different? Let me tell you, TrakinTech English is going to have its own identity. It is going to be different. There's going to be never my involvement unless there is a debate, difference of opinion, and we'll do a video. In fact, I'm excited about it. It might happen that a particular phone you really like and I don't like it that much. I'm going to present my views.
Absolutely.
You present your views, and that is going to be really exciting, not only for us, for you as well, because you are going to see two different faces of the same coin, probably.
That is true. And Arun, I'm really excited to actually also build on many different things that we've planned, including podcasts.
Yes, podcast. Podcast is something that I had spoken in my 2020 plans. We could not execute it, but in 2021, that is going to happen, and Irshad is going to take it forward along with me.
I'll try my best, Arun. I'll try my best.
So what kind of videos are you going to see on TrakinTech English? Yeah, it's going to be smartphones, but smartphones is just going to be one small part. They're going to be in-depth reviews. They're going to be futuristic, exclusive products that we are going to bring here. They're going to be audio products, for which many people follow him in tech ecosystem, because the kind of depth he brings to those audio products or audio reviews is exemplary. So, like I said, smartphones is just one, but you're going to get varied kind of videos here.
So, Arun, I'm really excited to start off. And for the frequency of videos, like you mentioned, we're definitely going to be putting out at least 4 to 5 videos a week for sure. And more importantly, we need all your support and feedback so we can actually make our content even better, because this channel is for you guys.
Absolutely. So, friends, that's about it in this video. Until next time, keep tracking and stay safe.